Got a picture of your truck.
I should say teach me, don't just give me one, teach me. Sounds like a real deal, huh?
Yeah. Anytime I need parts. It'll be like quite a bit of money to do everything.
Look beyond the point total. The praise is main got. As good as he is, you know, the only way we're going to win any games is by getting other guys easy shots.
No, I didn't see him working on that till I grabbed his camera.
Cool. Get someone else a wide open shot.
I was going to do it anyway.
Screwing with you.
I bet.
He's going to score points and you know, he's going to do some spectacular things out there.
I do know how to pull a distributor. I've done it.
We're going to have to find a way to do a better job on him. You know,
Only in Chevy's. These are tiny. That's not very old on there.
Oh, no, very old, huh?
Well, I mean, not many miles on it. Old, yes. Miles.
The grading was good. Al Iris of the Philadelphia 76ers was even better yesterday. He hit on 21 of 32 shots for a 55-point game. The 76ers took care of
Oh my God, it's a tiny little thing. Look at that.
Am I supposed to be a gear on the end of that?
No, it goes into a gear on Dodge. Right there. Ooh, what was that? What's this? Look at that sludge.
That's bad.
That's sludge. Give me that.
You want to see that?
Take a picture of that.
We got sludge.
No wonder the fucker was out of time in
That's a
there.
nugget.
Well, we need a light. Where's your flat? We love your light. Can we use it
I love
again?
my light. Everybody loves my light. It's the same one you guys gave me back the last
I know. I don't steal.
You don't steal.
No? I try not to. Oh, yeah. I can see where it's coming off right here. Oh, yeah. She definitely needs to be torn apart. She's got that Pennzoil look.
Pennzoil.
That's what that Pennzoil does.
Nothing but Pennzoil.
Oh, yeah. If we did run it, the carbon would plug up the oh, man, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Start it up.
I can see the Pennzoil over here on the lifters. It's just caked in there. Yep. You'll see it when you tear it apart.
Yeah.
You can't see it, but you gotta come on this side. Come over here. Right down in here. See it? That's all Pennzoil down in there. Yeah, right there.
Here we go, chocolate.
Yeah, it's a good thing we tore it down. Oh, it looks pretty good though. There, go right here. Are all the bolts out of it? She's just corroded on for 20 years.
I was looking, man.
You see anything?
I don't.
No problem. I know. How do I get
Where's my motherfucking light?
Good question.
Oh, it's not near good anyway.
No, it's no good, man. it's not no good.
Oh.
You can think it is.
That's what's from sitting without any water damage, because antifreeze would keep it from rusting, but she's ruined. Couldn't run that engine even if we wanted to. We gotta get a light. Where's the light? The mice will have to love that.
The government of the Philippines says U.S. troops
Get a picture. Get a picture.
You got space on there?
Yeah, but
Rivers. The ferry was carrying almost 300 people, almost 60 bodies have been found so far. And an unborn child, fires, drought, and economic disaster.
Really?
okay, now try to get a picture.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Your boyfriend, yes, he did. According to your
I'm surprised I didn't rust after all this time. Are they chrome? Chrome?
$1,500.
They gotta be.
Probably not back then.
That you never made a loan to him for
These are
anything.
steelhead gaskets.
Sanchez said that you took out some money to pay off for renting.
Now that part's machine real good. Look how clean that is.
that you promised to pay in 3 incremental payments towards the credit card. Were you together at this time? Yes, yes we were. That doesn't sound like a conversation people who are sharing the bed together have. What do you mean? Well, I don't know what you didn't know. I'm not sure. People don't have that kind of conversation who are intimate with each other. Please take out a cash.
Watching Judge Judy while you're doing the engine.
In increments of 3 installments on your
You're
credit
taping
card.